Hello friend, my name is Rupesh. In this video we will learn about how to sum even number. Okay, so what is the even number? Even number is if you in simple word, the even number is any value which is give the exact value after the division of 2. Okay, so let's say with the value of 2, when I add here plus 2, now all these are even number. Okay, if I divided this value by 2, then it will give me the exact number without any decimal. Okay, so this called even number. If it will not give me the exact value, and if it will give me the decimal value after the division of 2, then this is not the even number like this one. So this giving me the value in decimal. So all these are values are not even value. This called odd value. If value giving the output in decimal value after the division of 2. Okay, so now hope you get the understanding what is the difference between the even number and odd number and how to identify. Now let's see how to apply in VBA using the function. So first thing is that press Alt F11. Okay, now whenever you want to create function in VBA, first write function, after that function name, or you can give your any name. It is the kind of variable, you can assign any name, but remember don't give any space. So like sum my even number is called. Once now I have created this sum even function, you can see sum my even number, but now I need to select this range. So how I can do this? I can simply here giving the name sum as range. Okay, now you can see I am able to select the sum my even range here. Okay, so now this you can see here. So now I am going to use for each loop to calculate every cell inside selected range, right? For that I will use for each cell in range. So this is the procedure, or you can say it is the method, or it is the procedure, whatever you can say. It is the format to write for each loop. The cell is iterator, you can give any value, like say I am giving x, you can give any value to iterator, but range should be the fix whatever you have selected here, right? So now I am going to calculate all this, or first I need to check all this value, right? So how can I do this? Message box cell dot x. So it will show you one by one till the range is not ended, right? Now I am going to show you here again sum my even number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 4 5 10, whatever you have selected in this range, it is showing one by one. So first of all we have to identify the value is showing in even number or in odd number. For that, first of all we have to create one variable checking cell, and for checking even and odd number, first of all you have to divide that value with 2, right? So I am dividing into the 2. Now it will give me the output. After that you can see here zero 0.5 1 1 3 3.5 4 4 4 2 2.5. Okay, so wherever the decimal value comes, so that means that is not even number, it's odd number. So for that we have to give a proper condition that if decimal value is come, then don't count it. Okay, for that I am first of all doing in Excel, so you get better understanding. Suppose if there is the number of 4, okay, and I have divided into the 2, so my output is 2. Now if I divide here the 3, then is 1.5. So how can I capture this decimal value? For that, first of all what I will do, I will just simply use integer function int this one. Okay, and now I am just whatever I got the output after the division is 2 minus whatever I have converted into the integer of that output. So my value should be 0.5. So this value is not even number. If my value is 4, if this will give me the output in the form of 0, then this number is even number, right? This 2, like this is the even number. But if I press 7, it will not give me the output in 0 value, it will give you 0.5 or 0 point something like that. Okay, so in this way we can identify this thing will have to apply in VBA. So if first of all checking cell minus integer, whatever I got the output and whatever I got the output after the converting integer, if equal to 0, giving the 0, then you can see just copy pasting this here again, just remove this comment, then this cell value is my even number. Okay, I am again running this. Here is my code. 2 8 8 8 8 4. Now all the values I am getting in even number, so I need to sum all this even cell. Okay, so we'll have to, what we'll have to do, first of all we'll have to assign some blank variable called output above the loop. Done. Now whenever loop run one by one, it will add the value one by one. So for that, output plus cell dot value, so like this. Okay, now message box output. Now let's see, run again. Oh, the value is not showing in output. Why? Just tell me. Just pause this video and see why it's showing the hash value. You got your point? Okay, I am telling you why it's giving you hash value. Okay, if I remove this, now let's see, it's again showing value. Why? Range as range, right? Cell X, because we should give here cell X value. Okay, so now message box cell X dot value. So now it should give you the proper answer. 2226684, right? So now I am adding here again. Now it will give you the proper answer. 4 4 10 8. So it is the accumulated sum of all the even numbers. So now this output will applicable in, remove this and copy this some even number. Output, or you can simply copy paste this here and you will get the sum of all these things. 38. So now let's check. 266 is even, it's also even, and sum of all this, so it should be going 38. Oh, why it's showing 37? Just look at this, 2 2, right here. Oh sorry, 38. If I change here 4 40, same thing. So that is how we can get the sum of even number using this VBA function. Thanks for watching this video and hope you will practice of this video after watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.